Hello, Kathryn, Emery here, home improvement lifestyle expert. You know what excites me? Amazing tools that get stuff done. When I found Kelvin 36, I fell in love with this thing because it does 36 different things for you. I have a drawer that is filled with tools that is now empty because this sits inside of it. It's amazing. It is a screwdriver, a multifunctional screwdriver, because you've got 26 bits in one in there. Flatheads, Phillips, Allen wrenches, everything you could possibly need and more. It's got a tape measure. When you're ready to use it as a hammer, this magnet comes in handy. And it also has a level. It has a high-powered LED flashlight. It has an X-Acto knife blade. It might come in handy for all those Amazon boxes that show up in my house. And all that hard work might make you thirsty. It's even useful when it's time to relax. A wine opener. Goodbye, clutter.